Hi everyone, my name's Annie and I work for Capital One. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about my career and how I can help you start yours when it's time. I work for our alternative energy team, which invests money in wind farm projects across the country. Usually my job looks like tracking the performance of those wind projects. So that would mean seeing if the wind blew as much as we projected it was going to and how the revenues and expenses are doing. Today, I'm going to specifically talk to you about how you can use your interests and skills to find a job that you like, and if the job that you have or will have actually does align with those skills and interests. I think this is a very important topic because it'll help you find a job that you're more likely to be successful at and enjoy. Being interested in your job empowers you to be curious and engaged. So I'll tell you a little bit about my experience looking for a job. I thought about two things while exploring different opportunities. One, that I love people, and two, when I was in school, English and math were my favorite subjects. I love people because I grew up with 3 siblings and have lots of aunts, uncles, and cousins. I wanted a job that would require me to work closely with groups of people as well as constantly be talking to people throughout the day. It might seem obvious to some of you, but enjoying talking to people and being able to work with others are both skills and interests, and they can be really valuable in looking for a job that'll make you happy. I'd like to ask you guys to try and answer this question for yourself. Do you enjoy hanging out with lots of people at the same time, or do you prefer hanging out in smaller groups? This will help you decide how interested you are in a role that requires teamwork and communication. Both are perfectly acceptable options, but it's important you understand this for yourself so that you can be the happiest in a position. The second thing I mentioned was my interest in math and English in school. For example, in math class, I enjoyed learning about the structured approach to solving problems and how the same skills that you guys are learning you can use to solve multiple different problems. I do this at work every day when I check our wind projects' revenues and expenses and see if they're tracking along what we expected. As for English class, I love the discussions about books and ideas. I liked being able to express myself in book reports. At work, I frequently have to do write-ups about one of our project's performances or summaries about our entire portfolio. You can think about this as a book report on my group's portfolio. Why don't you guys think about this question for yourself? Which classes do you enjoy the most? And which classes do you enjoy doing your homework and assignments for? I think this will help you identify the responsibilities that you would like to look for in a job. I'd also like to encourage you to talk to your family members and teachers about your interests in school and about jobs. Sharing your ideas and listening to other people's ideas is very important for learning and growth and also just connecting with those around you. As you continue to think about this topic, I hope that you make decisions based on your interests and your skills. That way you can end up in a job that you're the most prepared to be successful and happy in. I hope that this helped you all and have a great day.